Hi friends, welcome to another video. This video is going to be about my weight loss and fitness journey. So I just did a really intense workout and I sweat like crazy. So I waited about 20 minutes or so and I took a shower because I like my showers hot. I don't want to be sweaty after my shower. So my face does look sweaty, but honestly it's because I'm doing a new skin treatment. I'm using hemp seed oil. I got this from Target. The brand is Clean Beauty and it's soothing facial oil, hemp seed oil with green tea infusion. This stuff is amazing. Oh my gosh, it really helps because I get eczema on my face as well, and this does not hurt my eczema. It actually helps like heal it. I love it. This was, how much did I get it for? I think it was like $5 or $7 at TJ Maxx. Actually it could have been $4, but I got it right before the whole like lockdown happened. So the quarantine thing happened. So this is why I'm wearing my face. That's why my face looks a little oily, but I'm actually doing a face treatment right now. So please excuse my circles. All right. So anyways, I did a really intense workout today and I've been doing different workouts lately, and I will put links down below to my favorite ones I've been doing lately. They're actually free for you on YouTube. So I will put the links to those YouTube videos down in my description box below if you're curious, because today I kicked my butt. Oh golly, I kicked my butt. So I will put a link. I'll put like a section, a column, like what I did today, so you guys know. And if you guys want to try it out, you guys can as well. And I'll put some of my, and I'll put like 4 different workouts that I like. One of them I will put that what I'm going to be doing tomorrow, and I'll even say it on the description box below saying what I'm doing tomorrow. And but yeah, I think that these workouts are incredible. They're free for you and they're on YouTube. So just if you have a way to put YouTube on your television, definitely recommend that, because you can see exactly what they're doing and work out with them. And it's a free way to get healthy, fit, and feel fantastic, because honestly you guys, I feel really good. I had a really good workout. I feel so incredible. Yeah, I have mental and emotional clarity, and I haven't had that for a little bit because this whole quarantine thing is really stressful for everybody, including myself. So I definitely needed it and I feel amazing. So my tip for you guys, if you guys want even just a little bit of a workout just to get your blood flowing and get your body to wake up and just to have like peace of mind, there is some videos online on YouTube that just does that. So I will put my links down below to my favorite workouts I've been doing lately and what I will be doing tomorrow. Okay, so right now I have definitely gained weight during this quarantine, and I'm not proud of myself. I mean I would do workouts and stuff, but then I would binge eat afterwards. Like, what's the point of working out if I'm just gonna binge eat afterwards, you know? It's just keeping me steady at a higher weight that I don't want to be. I mean, I guess it's keeping me from getting even heavier, but in some of my videos you guys might have noticed my belly. I'm not pregnant, just got a belly. Yep. So I have both of my parents' body types. My dad is long and lean, he's tall, and like his torso is long, his legs are long, his arms are long, his forehead's long, like mine. I got a 5 head. And my mom, how she gains weight is in her belly and her face. So all of my brothers, well, sorry, 2 of my brothers is built just like me. We're long and lean, but when we gain weight, it's in our face and our bellies. Unlike my brothers, because they're men, when I gain weight, I look pregnant because it's in my face and my belly mostly. I'm like, seriously? Some people say I carry my weight well, which I agree because I am long. My body type is very long. So yeah, I do carry it pretty good, but where I gain it the most and the fastest is in my belly and my face. So I woke up yesterday and I checked the scale. I was 168.9. I'm trying to get down to around 145. So a healthy weight for my height is between 135 to 140. 50, I think around there. That's like a healthy weight. But I want to be on like, because of my body type is long and lean, I want to have lean muscle mass. So I want to get down to about around 145 with it being lean muscle mass along with just a healthy physique. So I'm going to be doing these workouts on YouTube, and I will give you guys an update, I think weekly, on my progress. If you guys are curious, I would really like to see if anyone's on this weight loss journey as well, or if they're just curious on how I do. So let me know in the comments section below if that's what you're interested in. But yes, so I am drinking, this is my soda that I'm drinking. So that is my guilty pleasure, is soda. I have the hardest time breaking away from soda. So how I do it is with this. This has 0 calories, 0 sugar, 0 caffeine, now that part sucks, and 0 sodium. So I'm using this just to get away from the calories that I'm drinking normally on a daily basis with soda. I know that the carbonation can cause bloating, so that part really sucks. But hey, I'm a work in progress, right? I'm trying to get myself to drink more water so I can flush out my system and just have a healthy body, you know, inside and out. One reason why I'm saying out is because I have really bad eczema, and it's on my hands right now the worst. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's really gross. I have a split right here from my eczema. It's really painful. And because I am going nutty with cleaning my house, not because the quarantine, it's just because my new medication is helping me actually be motivated. So, which is great. I will do another video later about the medication I am on. But yeah, I've been having to hand wash and then load in the dishwasher because my dishwasher kind of sucks. So, so because of that, and I do wear gloves when I'm doing this as well, but I am allergic to latex, hence why I have 3 kids. But my gloves are latex gloves, and I love those gloves though because I love how high up they go. I have a hard time finding non-latex gloves that are like those kitchen gloves, the gloves that you see me wearing in my cleaning videos. If you guys know where any non-latex ones are, please let me know because girlfriend needs it. But because of that, my eczema isn't going away while I'm doing all this hand wash or washing dishes and stuff because I'm wearing those gloves, those latex gloves. But if I wasn't wearing them, my skin would be a heck of a lot worse because constantly getting them soapy and wet, dry, soapy and wet, dry, soapy and wet, dry, it would make my eczema far worse than it already is. So I gotta take what I can, and it's those latex gloves right now. So anyways, so I want to drink more water so I can have my skin be better too, because everyone wants nice, beautiful, clear skin. One great thing about my eczema, I didn't have acne in high school, but I did have eczema. So it's kind of like, what's bad, what's good? They're both kind of sucky. So, but yeah, so that's one good thing. Yeah, so anyways, let me get back on track. So my goal is to get down to 145. I want to lose, I know this sounds probably like, really, friend, really? You really think you can do this? I want to lose 5 pounds a week. That's my goal. And I mean, I'm doing HIIT workouts too. Workouts that I'm showing you guys in my description box. There's a couple HIIT workouts, and that is high intensity interval training. So that is what I am doing, and it burns off calories like crazy after your workout throughout the whole day. So that's what I'm going for right now because I want to burn fat. I want to burn off the fat and turn it into lean muscle mass. So that's my goal. 5 pounds a week. I don't know if I do just 3 pounds a week, I'll be okay with that because I'm having a hard time losing 1 pound a week. So I am going to try my hardest to do that. So yeah, let me know in the description box, or not description box, let me know in the comment section if you're on that same journey, or if you're interested on watching my journey and how I do. And if you guys have any like tips of where any non-latex kitchen gloves are, let me know. That'd be fabulous. Anyways, you guys, I hope you have a fabulous day. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos to come, and I'll see you guys again in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys again later. Bye now.